This is how to use the tone screen on the touch keyboard. In the home screen, you have two dedicated areas that work as tone switches. You have your frequency selector in the middle. To start a point, click the button by the tone switch on the left rotary dial. To enable talk forward, click the button on the top of the left rotary dial. To disable talk forward, you click the same button again. On the upper left side of the screen, you have information dedicated to Channel 1. You have your intensity, you can see when a stimulus is being presented, you can see when the patient response is being pressed. You have information about ear-side transducers and stimuli. This can be changed in the drop-down menu next to your icons. On the right side of the screen, you have information dedicated to Channel 2. To enable Channel 2, increase the intensity by turning the rotary dial. To turn off Channel 2, decrease the intensity by turning the rotary dial. The mask icon tells you if Channel 2 is currently being used as a masking channel. Ear-side, transducer, and stimuli for Channel 2 can be changed in the drop-down menu. In the central area, you have your frequency. You also have dedicated settings related to the tone screen. Now you know how to use the tone screen on the touch keyboard. Thank you for watching.